Where's the foam, you ask? That's a good question. That's it there. That's what's left of the air filter foam. So how long do you reckon that's been in there, folks? So we're going to deconstruct before we reconstruct. I will pull apart as much as I can. I don't know where I'm going to start actually. Maybe under the hood, take out all the bits and pieces, detail it, paint things. Yeah, I might start there. But yeah, what's with the huge gap here? Look, got my leg in there, and it's sitting way down there. Anyway, not tonight. We'll come back and hit this. So we are grabbing the degreaser and we are nailing this. Look at it, this here. Everything we can spray just to get the years of muck off it. Then we use the brush, and all we're going to do is just do that straight away. It's not hard, is it, to clean something? So I've already done this side. Look at the difference. Now that looks nice. Down onto the wheel arch here. This was all black as well. Sort of like this side. So we can see just the grime and build up. According to the service records that I've just had emailed to me, it's had all these things replaced, but when on looking at it, I don't know. Like it's have a look at this. So this thing runs a distributor, old-fashioned. This is how we used to get spark to the motor. Look at the leads, right? I've spoken about this before probably. They're in horrid condition. I'm going to pop that off, pull all those leads off and pull it out. That's it. We've got our rotor button. That looks like it could be replaced as well. I think I might just do that. So that spins around, setting the spark to each particular lead, that then runs in the sequential order, firing order, into the pistons. Gives it its spark and it's run, makes it run. So I might take that to my mates at Autobahn. So we want to pull those plugs out here. That is a super long spark plug. Take that off too, actually. Screwdriver. Got an inlet. I wonder if we can get an alternate for that. Wasn't on properly anyway. No entry that way, boys. As if they care. As I said, we've got the oil. I'm not a Newline fan, it's just what suited the car. 2 times in a row that's happened. Oil filter, petrol filter there, fuel filter. We have ordered we have ordered some parts. We've ordered a distributor cap, a rotor button, the spark plug lead. Yeah, we'll go home and do an oil change. So the filter we've just purchased is the incorrect filter. I need a 90-degree angle at one end of the filter. The undercarriage needs cleaning, so I'm going to bolt this temporarily back on and we will get the car fired up and back it out. I did inside the engine bay the other day, but today I want to do underneath the car. Oil filter does not fit, it's the wrong size. I'm going to have to go back and swap that, buy another one. That needs to be swapped as well. Fuel filter. And I've been scratching my head. I don't know how to fill the oil. I did a bit of Googling. And this thing here comes out of this canister. It's like a canister down there, and you can see it. That's my oil fill, apparently. I haven't done it yet. I'm still contemplating whether or not I pour oil in there. And then I've had issues trying to get the plugs out. I wasn't going to change them, but I've just ordered some new leads and I had to unscrew these. These go onto the end of the spark plug down in the head here. So that runs all the way down and goes onto the plug, screws on, and then the lead clips on top here. Got to keep it. I wonder what they charged $121 an hour to service this thing. Takes you 1 hour just to put oil in it. Easy money. All linkages. Dogs, cats, animals. Finally back home. Apparently this is the filter, even though it looks miles different to the other one. I've just got to check that it fits on the thread here before I go and do too much. I'm just going to gently lay that up. And yes, it is. Okay. So that fits. I'm going to put some oil or lubricant around the face of the filter on a little rubber seal. Then we can finish an oil change. That'll be done. Just not having any luck, am I? Oh, come on! Back in here, because that's just weird. Jeez, everything's old. So that's been changed. New one on. V-Titan. It's not an original carby. These came out with what's called a Solex carby. This is not a Solex, this is a Weber. Webers are easier to tune, more reliable carby. Done diddlyansky. I was going to degrease, but I don't think it's going to happen, folks. We've had not the greatest of Sundays. Backwards and forwards 2 times up to Autobahn. Oil filter wasn't right. Trying to clean the carby down. I don't want to rebuild the carby, just want to make it look neat and tidy. It works fine. Just always makes a better impression when it's clean. So yeah. I don't know what I'm doing today. Feels like I'm all over the place. So this here does not actually, it's not correct, and it's split to hell too. Look at it. It's all split. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. That goes on top of the Weber and feeds into this. What the hell is that? What in the world have we got here? We've got a filter that hasn't been changed. Look at this. It has completely destroyed itself. Look, that's the two parts of the filter. Oh yeah, we serviced it regularly. What a joke. That is disgusting. These people have paid $9,000, I think it works out to, over the last, and that's not all the services, because I swear they've been somewhere else to get servicing done. And this had a service 10,000 kilometres ago. And it was a full service. And look at this. This is actually meant to be a full filter, people. Look, that's what's left of the foam. What is it with people and not servicing properly? Look. Everywhere I turn, it's just shit. I should take that to the old mate who sold me the car, who said it's the best in the world, the best in Australia. Yeah, it's serviced all the time. Bullshit. Not happy, Jan. Just not getting a rhythm up, man. I'm bailing. I'm done today. I've had a gutful.